How old are you?
9.
9?
Yeah.
What saw is that? He said Dolmar 6100?
A Dolmar 6100.
Perfect. Go ahead and try to start it. It is warm, so nice solid pull. Now, how many times have you tried starting that?
Once.
So how many times has it started?
Once. Can I
Cool.
try? I can.
How old are you, Jenna?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, go ahead and try it. One more time. Let it in. Put it in. Let go of the handle. There you go.
Can be 2? Can be 2?
No, not yet. You're only 3.
Couple more years.
You gonna start it again? Did you put it back on?
Put that switch back up. There you go.
Not all the way up.
I don't want this.
You want to try it again, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a Dolmar 6100.
Yep.
Dolmar 1 6100.
Perfect.